8604. Aircraft temperature thermocouple leads may A. Not be altered and are designed for a specific installation. B. Be installed with either lead to either post of the indicator. C. Be repaired using solderless connectors. The correct answer is A. Thermocouple leads are designed with specific materials and lengths to ensure accurate temperature readings. Altering the leads, such as cutting or modifying them, can affect the accuracy and reliability of the temperature measurement. 8605. A synchro transmitter is connected to a synchro receiver. A. Mechanically through linkage. B. Electromagnetically without wires. C. Electrically with wires. The correct answer is C. A synchro transmitter and synchro receiver are electromechanical devices that require electrical connections to function properly. The synchro transmitter converts mechanical motion into an electrical signal, which is transmitted through wires to the synchro receiver for further processing. 8606. The operation of an angle of attack indicating system is based on detection of differential pressure at a point where the airstream flows in a direction. A. Not parallel to the true angle of attack of the aircraft. B. Parallel to the angle of attack of the aircraft. C. Parallel to the longitudinal axis of the aircraft. The correct answer is A. The correct answer is A. Not parallel to the true angle of attack of the aircraft. An angle of attack indicating system detects differential pressure at a point where the airstream does not flow parallel to the true angle of attack, providing accurate measurement of the angle between the airflow and the aircraft's longitudinal axis. 8607. Turbine engine exhaust gas temperatures are measured by using A. Iron/constant and thermocouples. B. Chromel/Alumel thermocouples. C. Ratiometer electrical resistance thermometers. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Chromel/Alumel thermocouples. Turbine engine exhaust gas temperatures are commonly measured using Chromel/Alumel thermocouples. These thermocouples are specifically designed to withstand high temperatures and provide accurate temperature measurement in high-temperature environments, such as the exhaust gas of a turbine engine. 8608. Fuel flow transmitters are designed to transmit data. A. Mechanically. B. Electrically. C. Utilizing fluid power. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Electrically. Fuel flow transmitters are electronic devices that measure the rate of fuel flow and transmit this information as an electrical signal.